Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the fuel tank mounting nut on your Honda engine, you will need channel lock pliers. Before you begin the procedure, make sure the engine has cooled. We also recommend there be little fuel in the tank. Unthread the fuel tank cap and pull the retainer free to fully remove. Use the channel lock pliers to help unthread the old fuel tank mounting nut, if still intact. To install the new fuel tank mounting nut, thread it onto the fuel tank neck and use the pliers to tighten. Slide the fuel tank retainer over the fuel tank neck, then thread on the cap. Refill the fuel tank if necessary, and your engine should be ready for use.